Hi there, future AI innovator. Are you feeling left behind by the AI revolution? What if you could instantly save hours, slash costs, and supercharge your creativity? All with AI, and even if you're an absolute beginner. This isn't just a trend, it's a gold rush. Data shows that global AI market is projected to hit $407 billion by 2027 and a staggering $738 billion by 2030. You're not alone. The AI world can feel overwhelming. And let's be honest, the sheer number of AI tools out there can be paralyzing. Plus a steep learning curve and complex terminology. In fact, recent data gathered through Google Gemini deep research for the AI advantage shows that 62% of businesses cite a lack of understanding of the benefits of AI tools as a barrier to AI adoption, and 37% struggle with the lack of time and resources to explore AI tools. But here's the truth. AI is for everyone. If you don't start using AI to make money, you are missing out. That's why Inspired Shifter is your guide. We cut through the noise, showing you exactly which tools work, how to use them, and how they deliver real business outcomes, like starting your first side hustle, increasing revenue, accelerating workflows, reducing stress, saving costs, and automating tasks. In fact, we use AI ourselves to make this channel more efficient, so we literally practice what we preach. Now forget the sci-fi robots. For us, AI is simply a super smart software. Your incredibly affordable, always working, super efficient team. It's how you can achieve real business outcomes, save time. About 89% of businesses adopt AI for efficiency. It reduces costs, boosts creativity, and scale your business. About 44% of freelancers charge more if AI tools need to be integrated. And today I'll show you exactly how it can get you started and transform your business, even if you're an absolute beginner. So let's dive straight into the practical applications. Here are some immediate real-world ways that you can start using AI in your business today. These are some of the top use cases where AI is making the biggest impact for businesses like yours. Example number 1, content creation. Do you need a social media post, a quick blog outline, or even just an idea for your next YouTube video? AI writing assistants like ChatGPT that are free to use, or Google Gemini, can do it in seconds. Let's see it in action. Now I have created an AI cheat sheet for you that's called your first AI toolkit that has lots of resources and premium prompts. Now let's go to that. As you can see here, we've got the first example prompt so let's just copy this, go to ChatGPT, paste that in. This is the premium prompt. Act as a social media strategist for a freelance graphic designer. Generate 5 engaging social media posts for Instagram, announcing a new logo design package. Let's go. And boom, just in seconds, you've got here 5 Instagram posting ideas. Post number 1, done for your design, more time for your business. Stop wasting hours on DIY logos that don't convert. This is great. Post number 2, post number 3, post 4, and 5. This is just in literally seconds, and you can do so much more. You can also attach files, photos. You can think for longer, so it actually thinks deeper, run a deep research, create an image, search the web, write or code for you. So it's literally amazing what it can do. Example number 2, idea generation. Are you stuck on a business name? You can't think of a catchy slogan, or maybe you need to brainstorm ideas for an entirely new business, or even get a basic outline for a business plan. ChatGPT is your instant brainstorm buddy. Just ask it. Let's see how it does. So let's go back to my cheat sheet guide that I've created, and here we're gonna create some names for our business. Prompt is, you are a business development consultant. Brainstorm 10 unique, memorable, and available business names for an AI-powered productivity app for solopreneurs. So let's go with that. And boom, just in seconds, you've got 10 business names. Solva, Zentry, Tasklytic, YouKnowWise, Nextflow, Worknetic. I like Worknetic. Solopilot. Amazing. And you can also brainstorm any business ideas that you have or projects. You can all discuss it with with ChatGPT or any LLM of your choice. Example number 3. Market demand analysis. You need to do some research. Well, for content creators and solopreneurs like us, understanding your audience is key. Instead of sifting through tons of data, ask an AI like Google Gemini or Perplexity to do a quick market demand analysis for your niche. It can summarize key trends, popular topics, and audience pain points. Let's check it out. So let's go back to my cheat sheet guide, and down here we can copy this, go to Google Gemini. By the way, these are all free accounts that you can see here. Here again, and boom, within seconds, you've got a market demand analysis on online courses on AI tools for solopreneurs. You've got the 3 top common pain points, the 3 trending topics, and the 3 key demographics on who you can sell this to. Let's go to example number 4, customer communication. For new businesses, AI like Claude can help draft polite customer service responses, answer frequently asked questions, or even follow up on emails. It ensures professionalism without hours of manual writing. So here we go. We go back to my cheat sheet. We're going to copy this. I've added a premium prompt that you can design for your niche that you can see here. Now I've created this cheat sheet so that you can tailor it to your business needs and to your audience. I'm just using here an example, and here we go to Claude, paste that in, ready to go. And just in seconds, here you've got the email outline that you can send to your client. So there you go. You got a professional written email for your clients. Example number 5. Do you need visuals for your brand? Don't have a designer budget? Well, your AI assistant like ChatGPT or Google Gemini can even generate unique images and videos for your social media posts, or even basic logo concept based on a simple text prompt. Let's test it out. So this time we're going to create 3 different logos. So we're going to copy this prompt, go to Google Gemini. There you go. It's creating 3 different logos for your business. That's logo number 1. Would you like me to generate more logo concept with different styles or perhaps variations of this one? Yes, I want all 3 options. And just like this, it's just creating one image after another. And this is the free version. You can generate as many images as you'd like. And there are so many more features that you can do here. You can add files, you can do deep research, you can do Canva, create documents. It's literally a power tool. Not only that, but you can also use Google AI Studio, but we'll get into that in another video. But here you can see, this is another logo. I've created just a second one, so we can ask it to create the third one as well. But you see, it's not rocket science. The most important thing is to just get started, start experimenting. Pick one of the free tools that I've mentioned, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Perplexity AI, or Claude, and just start to experiment and play around. Don't worry about breaking anything. The best way to learn AI is by doing. Try asking it simple questions, giving it simple tasks, and see what it comes up with. You'll be amazed at how quickly you pick it up. Remember, AI is a tool, just like a hammer or a paintbrush. It's here to help you build and create. It won't replace your unique ideas or your human touch or your creativity. It will simply amplify them. This is just the beginning of your AI journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way to help you on your very first steps. I've created your first AI toolkit for you. This is your go-to resource for understanding all the basic AI terms that you'll encounter, explained in a simple, non-techie language. Plus, it includes all the essential prompts and resources inside, including research that I've done, which contains all the data and insights we've discussed today, and much more, to kickstart your AI journey with confidence. You can get this all for free. The link is in the description down below. Download it now. It's designed to make you feel confident and knowledgeable as you explore the world of AI. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AI Inspired Shifter for more practical AI tips for your business, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out our next video. And speaking of the next video, now that you know what AI is and how it can help you, are you ready to learn how to make your first dollar with AI? In our next video, we'll dive into generating simple service ideas and offers using AI, perfect for new freelancers and entrepreneurs. Click here to watch now.